We're doing it. I am using my all-time favorite Chanel Le Volume. So I don't know if you guys know Nordstrom. Most of you probably do. They have something called Mascara Madness. It's the only time I ever buy mascara. You buy 2 and you get 1 free. And I'm an employee, so I get an even bigger discount. Sorry, folks. I absolutely love it. I'm not going to bother curling them. Usually I would, but I'm going to go in there with some lashes. I don't know, people have different steps of doing this. They either do their mascara first and then their lashes, or their lashes then their mascara, and this is the way I do it. I hardly ever double dip in my mascara. I don't like to have super chunky lashes, even if I'm not wearing falsies. I just don't like the look of it. It's not very natural looking. Not that this is natural looking in the slightest. So we do still look like we have a little bit of that break in the middle, so I'm okay with it. Cute. So I'm just gonna do my inner corner. I'm gonna do that with my Modern Renaissance palette with that Primavera color. This guy here. So I'm gonna put that on my inner corner. I might do a little bit under my brow bone too. I think I will. It also depends on how tanned I am. I find sometimes this Primavera color comes up a little bit too gold under my eye if I am not tanned enough, which I am not, but it's okay. I don't hate it. Okay, lash time. Okay, lashes. So a year ago when I decided to start doing all this makeup stuff, I was looking for lashes on Amazon, and I ordered them from this place called Pureleor, and I was obsessed with their lashes. This is the first one I ever got. Not the same box, but the first kind that I ever got. They're called Pureleor 3 Fashion Eyelashes. The Glam, Volume, and Sexy, they are all actually the same. But they're amazing. And I decided to write them and tell them how great their eyelashes were. And ever since, they've been sending me eyelashes. Isn't that so cute? They're super sweet. Their customer service is unreal. And just wait till you see these on. And they're really easy to put on too. Like the band is really nice. It's not, I find sometimes with lower priced lashes, you take them out of the package and the band tends to lie flat, and they're really hard to put on, and I don't have that issue at all. The glue that I use is just this Duo stuff. I've had it forever. Packing that on, let that dry for a few seconds. It'll stick better, I promise. Okay, lashes are on. They are fabulous. Look at these. And they're not too dramatic either. I'm not trying to, you know, be like a spider eyeball lady or anything. So I love it.